Should I read that note? He left you a note. What did you see? What is that?
And
what's this?
Mother, I put craft from the mother. Oh, that craft from Toto.
It's from the toy store?
Oh.
I bet the elves made it, huh?
Who's sitting at your table?
That's Tissy. Tissy. What's this?
It's a Three Musketeers outfit.
Ew. Now put what here? Oh.
Okay.
Yeah, I know that.
Oh yeah, you
Hey, what's this button? Ah, that's him.
Do you want me to read the note that he left? You don't need to film me. It says, ho, ho, ho.